Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes is the class which is comes under fungi. Yes, these Phycomycetes members found in aquatic habitats, and on decaying wood in moist condition, and damp places also, and as obligate parasites on plants. These are also obligate parasites on plants. Obligate parasites, which means these are cannot complete their life cycle without a host. Okay, it cannot complete their life cycle without a host, without suitable host. Yes, these are also called as algal fungi. These are also called as algal fungi. Why we are calling the algal fungi? Because of these fungi is morphologically similar to the algae. That's why they are called algal fungi. That's why they are called algal fungi. These are morphologically similar. And it is also found in the algae-like aquatic habitat. It is also algae-like aquatic habitat, and it is morphology, that is a thallus, which is similar to the algae. That's why we are calling algal fungi. It's also the physical appearance is similar to the algae. That's why we are calling algal fungi. Here the mycelium is aseptate. It is important. The mycelium is aseptate. There is no septa. Yes, and cenocytic. Cenocytic, which means it's a multinucleated hyphae. Here, next man, see, coming to the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores. Zoospores, which means here it is motile, which means they are moving, or aplonospores. Aplonospores are non-motile. These are the thin-walled cells. These are non-motile cells. These spores are produced in sporangium. Here, zygospore. Coming to sexual reproduction, zygospores are formed by the fusion of two gametes. These gametes may be similar. Here the zygospores are formed by the fusion of two gametes. These gametes may be similar in size. Is called isogamous. These fusion of two gametes may be dissimilar in size. These are called anisogamous. Or oogamous. In morphological structure. Here, based on morphology, which means their size. Depend on size. That's why we are calling the similar is called isogamous, and dissimilar anisogamous. Yes, anisogamous are oogamous. Example, say the mucor, rhizopus. Rhizopus is also called as bread mold. That's why these are appearing on the bread. That's why we are calling the bread mold. The rhizopus is calling bread mold fungus, and albugo. It's a parasitic fungus on mustard leaves. It is a white color spots on the mustard leaves. These are examples of the Phycomycetes. These are the characteristics of the Phycomycetes. Then we will learn about the Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is also fungi, which comes under the fungi. Here, these are commonly known as sac fungi. Because of they are having the sac-like structures. Which is present in these Ascomycetes. Here, in these sac-like structures, they are having the ascospores. That is called ascus. The sac-like structure is called ascus. That ascus which has ascospores. Here, that's why we are calling the sac fungi. The sac-like ascus are present in the Ascomycetes. That's why we are calling the sac-like fungi. Here, these are the unicellular. These are unicellular. For example, yeast. Yeast is a unicellular organism, unicellular eukaryotic organism. Here are multicellular. Example, penicillium. Are multicellular. Example, penicillium. Here they are saprophytic. These Ascomycetes fungi are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, or caprophilous. Saprophytic which means here these fungi which always depend on, already we are learned in the earlier classes. The fungi which is these are heterotrophic organisms. They cannot synthesize their own food. It's always depend on other organisms. Here these are the saprophytic. It's growing on the other organisms. It's growing on the dead organic matter. It's growing on dead organic matter for their food, and decomposers also. They are disintegrated the material, decaying material. That's why these are the decomposers. And parasitic and caprophilous fungi. Caprophilous, which means they are growing on dung. Here the mycelium is branched. The mycelium is branched and septate. It is very important. Here it is septate. But here the Phycomycetes is aseptate. But Ascomycetes is septate. Phycomycetes is aseptate. Ascomycetes is septate. Branched and septate. Here it is important one. Branched and septate. Here the asexual spores. Coming to reproduction, asexual spores are conidia. Produced exogenously on special hyphae, that is called conidiophores. Asexual spores are conidia which were produced on the conidiophores. Here these are the conidiophore which was produced from the mycelium. Here these conidiophore produced conidia. Here it is conidia. It is conidiophore. Here the conidia which is always attached on the conidiophore, which means here the conidiophore produces conidia. Here the conidia produced exogenously on the special hyphae, that is conidiophores, produced on the conidiophore. Here the conidia germination and produce the mycelium. This conidia is detached from the conidiophore, and it is germinate in suitable conditions. And it is germinate in suitable conditions and form the hyphae, form the mycelium. Here, coming to sexual reproduction. These are having a dikaryotic phase. Here, it is dikaryotic phase, which means two nucleus are there. One is, which means they are having two nucleus, dikaryotic phase with ascogenous hyphae. Here, the fusion of two hyphae, the fusion of two species is concerned under this one. That's why they are having the dikaryotic phase is found here. These sexual spores are called ascospores. Which are produced endogenously. In sac like asci. Single is ascus. Asci is the plural one. Ascus is the singular one. Here these ascospores are produced in the asci. These ascospores are 4 to 8 ascospores are there. 4 to 8 ascospores are formed in the asci. Asci is the plural one. Ascus is the singular one. These 4 to 8 ascospores are formed in the ascus. Here the karyogamy, which means the fusion of two nuclei, and follows meiosis, occur in asci. Here observe karyogamy and meiosis. karyogamy and meiosis. Meiosis, which means it produces the haploid spores. Here occur in a ascae, and this ascae arranged in different types of fruiting bodies. This ascae are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Different types of fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Here globose type of ascocarp, flask shaped ascocarp, and cup and saucer shaped ascocarp are there. Here we have to discuss about the globose ascocarp without opening. The globose ascocarp without opening is called Clistothecium. Without opening, this ascocarp is without opening is called Clistothecium. And another one, there is a flask shaped ascocarp with an apical opening. With an apical opening is called Perithecium. Apical opening is called Perithecium. And cup or saucer shaped ascocarp, which is Apothecium. Here cup or saucer shaped ascocarp is called Apothecium. Here examples: Aspergillus, Claviceps, Penicillium, and Neurospora. Many members like morels and truffles are the edible. These are edible to the human being. Yes, these are the characteristics of the Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes. I hope you are understood. Thank you.